Hi everyone, this is JAYFIX Designs. This is day 2 of our project. As you all know, we started yesterday. Today, we focus on structural alternations, and that is on the walls, the ceiling, and also anything to do with partitions. Now, as you can see, we are starting with the TV console. There are some systems that need to be removed from one position to another. That is the power outlets, TV antenna, and sound systems. Also, the fireplace is being constructed. Now, as for the ceiling, we start off by doing the blundering. Yeah, that's where we fit the metallic stands. These ones are used to support the gypsum boards. Once they are fitted, the gypsum boards are then fixed. That's all for today. So stay tuned for day 3 as we proceed with the project.